What is good, everyone? How is your guys' days going? I wonder if you guys are doing well. Hope you are, everyone. That is to everyone. So I'm just gonna get this up, and then we will do. Because I haven't actually got the whole Timothy loaded up. Oh, here it is. So yeah, we found it.
Story with opinions.
So
Intercepted her. Explore your story.
we have found
TUI gives you more.
Hold on, I'm just going through these adverts so you don't have to go through it.
More.
Alright, perfect. Alright, so now, hold on, let me just, hold on. I haven't switched yet. It's so mean of me. Hold on, let me, alright, much better. Hold on, let me just, did I definitely put, oh wait, it's this, I completely forgot. Oh yeah, alright, so yeah, so today we're going to be reacting to Ghost Train Part 3. So let's do this. Oh wait, I completely forgot what I said in the last, oh yeah, do I said in the last two videos, make sure to subscribe to SebiWebby Live 777. Make sure to subscribe to SebiWebby 777. Make sure to follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/SebiWebby777, and make sure to join my Discord server, so the Elgato crew. So do what I said for you to do in the last video, and now let's get on with the video.
The next day, things on the branch line ran as normal. Thomas, Toby and Daisy took passengers while Percy was shunting in the yard.
Alright. Why in the yard? What? Is it because of the ghost
branch
train?
line was getting more busier as the week went on, as the summer season progressed.
Alright.
Thomas soon had to do some yard shunting, while Percy took over in pulling his coaches.
Thomas still looks flabbergasted from last time. I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of shocking for him. Toby does as well.
Toby and Percy were sent to take some stone trucks from the quarry down to Wellsworth, where Edward was to take it to the docks.
Who's that? Is that Edward?
As they watched the train depart, the subject on Timothy began to play on their minds again.
That's not Timothy.
Thomas, on the other hand, continued on taking passenger services and workmen to locations that needed repairing. By the time the week had gone, the engines were totally exhausted.
Toby looks chill though.
Some days later, Percy was making his way back home. He followed the same shortcut, passing Crow's Farms crossing and going through green signals.
No, does he know Timothy's gonna come up and he's gonna go right up into his face?
Just then he saw Toby in a siding by a signal box and came to a stop.
Alright.
Hey Toby, what are you doing out here at this time of evening?
I've been here for hours. The points are jammed, so I can't go anywhere. My driver's calling for help, and a group of workmen are coming to mend the failed points.
The old tram engine suddenly noticed that the mist was rolling in quite
And
faster
Thomas
than
is
usual.
going to come right up to their
Moonlight
faces.
bright light from above
No, not Thomas,
started to
Timothy.
become
Timothy's going to come
moss.
up right up their faces.
My word, what unpleasant weather this is.
Suddenly, he and Percy heard a whistle from another engine, which was coming from the darkness ahead of them. It was then heard again, followed by an echoing voice.
Called it!
Children,
Maybe I just remember this a bit.
children.
Maybe I just remember this a bit.
Bless my bell. It can't be.
I like children. I like
This is the
children.
exact same thing that happened except for Toby than the last
Then they
time.
saw the shape
Except
of an
for
engine silhouetting in the mist.
this time Toby's there.
They couldn't see the mysterious engine's face, but it was certain that it was the evil spirit of Timothy.
Yeah?
My reign of
Um,
power will never end. My wrath will be felt. And one by one,
We're gonna do it in a minute, so let's just watch
set your
this.
graves. And then he will be mine and will join me in hell.
Timothy shot forward, shrieking
Alright,
out
same-
loudly.
Face
Percy
hasn't
and
changed.
Toby quickly caught a glimpse of his sadistic face. They shut their eyes as they anticipated a crash.
And nothing's gonna happen.
Total
He
silence
lost all of his.
fell.
He lost all of his teeth.
Percy opened his eyes first, then Toby. They looked around, but no one was there. Timothy had vanished.
So, that was Timothy.
Yes, Toby, it was.
Yes, but Thomas hasn't seen him yet. Why does it have to be Toby? Why can't it be Thomas that sees it?
News of the encounter of Timothy's ghost soon spread down the line. But Percy and Toby were not the only ones who had caught sight of him. During the weekend, witnesses
What the heck is Sonic doing there? What the heck is Sonic doing there? Why is Sonic the Hedgehog in Thomas the Tank Engine? I did mention Sonic.exe, right? In the first one. What is that? Is that a goblin, two children, and an anime character?
who were waiting for Thomas's evening train claimed to have seen Timothy, mostly scaring them and their children, as well as station staff and workmen.
That's the guy. That's Percy's driver. Him. It's that guy. That's Percy's driver.
Something was happening, and it seemed that less and less people were starting to come onto the branch line and take the main line instead.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me just... I'll be there in a minute. I'm just live streaming, alright? Alright. Back onto the stream.
Rumours began to spread, until one day, Toby was told about the rumour. Later that evening, the old tram engine explained all this to Percy.
Looks like your driver was right about the story of Timothy. The branch line has lost many visitors. It looks like Timothy's ghost has been scaring them away. The driver says he comes running through the darkness as a warning to others. But what's with the warning? What is he after, and what's his purpose in haunting our line? Oh, that makes me shudder to think of it.
Oh my goodness, if the story that my driver's mentioned is true, then all this time we've been running the branch line that has been haunted after all this time with an evil ghost that he never heard of.
Fine rain fell, with a slight hear of thunder and lightning. For the rest of the night, it rained, and it would continue to do so for a couple of days.
Well, what's his name? That's Gordon, right? Isn't that his name? Gordon. Is it Gordon or is that Gordon? I don't know. Is that Gordon or no one's called Spencer, right? Is that Gordon? I thought I said TNT for a minute. That was weird. Sonic the Hedgehog being there. Wait a minute. Sorry about that. I'm having dinner after this.
However, Thomas began to think about the story of Timothy, for it had been playing on his mind for some time. The little blue engine was now lost with questions he wanted answering, but there was a part of him that made him not to believe in all this.
I was once told about it, but I never believed it. I thought it was some made-up tale to play in our minds. However, we were wrong.
So the story really is true?
I can't
Harry
be sure,
Potter?
but if this ghost story is, and that
You're a wizard,
about
Harry.
an engine who had a similar appearance like you, then.
Then
He actually does.
what?
Say,
Are you trying to say that
he sounds like
Timothy
Winner from
is
Teapot.
somehow related to me?
He sounds like Winner from Teapot. I'm not gonna lie, he actually sounds like Winner from Teapot.
For the rest of the
The part
afternoon, Thomas quietly worked and said nothing to anyone.
So, oh yeah, completely forgot any of you that it's gonna be a long one, even though it's quite a short. This is quite a short
The
episode.
thought of thinking that Timothy was a more darker form of himself soon overwhelmed him, until it made him ill.
Oh, that
And
really
he
isn't
took him
good.
to the works to be looked at, while Toby and Percy did most of the works alone.
The most of the work out. So Thomas isn't doing anything because of Timothy. That's
Several
yeah.
weeks
What?
had passed,
That's
and
that's
there
from an
seemed to be
old
no more
arcade game.
signs of Timothy's
Those
evil
guys are from an
spirit.
old arcade game, and
But
that's
as
from
the
an old
old saying
arcade game as
goes,
well.
This was just
That
the
car's just a
calm
PNG
before the storm.
picture. I like that. That car's just a PNG picture. Is that it? Is that the end of the episode? Nope, it is not the end of the episode. Oh, I know this sound.
Future generations that live on this island don't even know who I am or know of my existence. If those who do remember me have either chosen or forgotten, or even refused to even remember me, I'll force them to.
Well, that was it. So, that was quite short, but it's been longer. It's been 14 minutes, all because of the because some of you guys were early into the stream, so because I didn't want all of you late ones to miss out. So yeah. So that's gonna be it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, I just leaked how I made the early sign. I just leaked how I made it. But yeah, I'll see you soon, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.